Hello guys, what I have here is an iPad 2 which has fallen on the floor, and since then the backlight didn't work. What I'm going to show you here is the easiest solution to fix this problem with no need of any type of special tools or soldering or anything. You only need this small Phillips screwdriver, a gear pick and a small piece of business card or any type of plastic card. So what I did here is I removed the whole screen assembly. After that I removed also this metal plate from the top of the main board, and then I just cut off a small piece of my plastic business card and put it on top of the backlight chip. So I'm going to show you now this backlight chip, or better the piece of plastic which is on top of it. Here we go. See, that's it. A small piece of white plastic. Everything is held tightly down by this piece of metal, which is part of the metal frame. And after I did this, everything works fine again. So let me show you. Here we go. See, the backlight's back on. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.